Hi, welcome. So in this video we will discuss about like how you can create a new profile to your Google My Business profile. So you have to search the Amjam solutions, like whatever the business name you have, direct from the business you can search. You can see the view profile here. Click on the three dots and now click on the add a new profile. So just to how to follow all the steps that we have discussed in the previous videos, the first videos, and according to that you can create the Google My Business profile here. So this is the one step. From that you can create the Google My Business profile. The second step will be you have to search Google My Business. Once you will search for the Google My Business, you will go on the website of the Google My Business. So once you will redirect it to the website, so the website will be look like this. You have to click on the manage now. Once you will click on manage now, the same page will be appeared here. Fine, and you can do this. Perfect. So in this way you can add a new business profile to Google My Business. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. If you have any question you can ask in the comment section.